a still small voice. I am beneath the noise. I am the door that opens up when you can't see the way. Call on me when you can't stand the pain. Call on me. I know that life can break your heart. Damn, it's so hard bringing you to your knees. So darling, call on me. Call on me.
You don't need no sleight of hand. Don't need a rabbit or a hat to help me understand. I don't need convincing, it's so easy to see. Every little thing you do is magic to me. It just comes so natural, you don't even have to try. When we touch, the fairy dust makes me wanna fly. I used to be a skeptic, but you're making me believe. Every little thing you do is magic to me. Oh, I hope you know I'd be the assistant in your Vegas show. Please don't disappear, honey. I survive on the magic in your smile. You didn't cast a spell, now you didn't wave a wand. Now you just said the magic words and poof, I was yours. Well, I think I just stumbled onto some kind of sorcery, 'cause every little thing she does, it's magic to me. I hope you know you know your reflection couldn't be any clearer. So why do you live life like you're inside a house of mirrors? But you ain't no illusion.